Thank you, Your Honor. We're here in the State of Ohio versus Naquan Wright, case number 17CR689. The defendant is present with counsel John Fatika, and we are here on the defendant's motion for judicial release that was filed on May 8th, 2026.
Mr. Fatika.
Good morning, Your Honor. I would highlight the fact that Mr. Wright is 27 years old. He served more than 8 years of his sentence at this point. He enjoys the support of his family. Two relatives are seated in the back, and you can see that he can live with either his grandmother or his sister should the court release him. He intends on picking up a trade. Right now he's thinking about becoming an electrician. He has made positive use of his time while incarcerated. You can see from the institutional summary he's participated in programming. We'd ask the court to consider judicial release here with the understanding he'd be supervised by the Lake County Probation Department.
All right, Mr. Wright, what do you want to say that should convince me to let you out?
Want me to stand?
Whatever you want.
Thank you for letting me address the court. Throughout this time, I learned a lot about myself. The last time we seen each other, I was pretty immature. I ain't take accountability for my actions. I know the choices that I made has led me to being incarcerated, being away from my family, and for the victims of my crimes, I know it was pretty traumatic. I can only imagine how they feel about what happened. I learned a lot about myself. I done grew as a person, as a man, the person that I needed to be. The time helped me a lot. I'm just thankful to be here today.
So what was there that you did while you were in prison that was what was positive?
I ran programs, facilitated programs, helped some of the guys out with their credit. And for the majority, I stayed out the way the most as I could. Best of my ability.
What's with the reports on the hooch that I see?
The reporters on the hooch,
Mm-hmm.
it was mine.
How do you make it?
Jailhouse things.
Huh?
Jailhouse things.
Like what?
Commissary stuff.
What kind of things?
Pops.
Huh?
Pops. Candies and stuff like that.
Okay. What about the marijuana?
The marijuana, that was mine.
Where'd that come from?
Inside the institution.
What about the cell phones?
The cell phones, that was mine.
How do you get cell phones in prison?
I don't know how they got them in. I know.
Anybody watching the front doors of the prison entrance? So what are you going to do with your life? You were 19 when you were here. I think 18 when you did this, right?
Yeah.
You're 20, what? You're going to be 28
Friday.
coming up?
Yes.
What are you going to do with your life?
What I really want to do, I want to help the youth. I want to help people so they don't have to be in front of you. Honestly, I want to help people not be in the same situation that I was in.
How are you going to do that?
Outreach, reaching out to the youth. I got younger siblings that I don't want to go through the court system. I done seen people life taken away from the court system by decisions. It's poor decision making. And nobody is really good role models for real for us. So I want to try to be the best role model I can for at least my siblings to help them.
What contact did you have with your family members when you were in?
I had a lot of contact. My mother, she's here right now. My girlfriend, my grandmother. I done been in contact. They come see me often. I got a good support system. I'm just ready to support them now. My grandmother's getting old. I need to be able to help if I can and when I'm able to. So.
You were going to Tri-C before all this happened?
Yes, I was going to Shawnee State prior to that.
So what were you doing in either of those places?
Going to school for business.
Okay. So what kind of work are you going to plan on doing?
I want to attend trade school, so that's going to be my first step. Try to get my electricianal license. I know it's time consuming, but I'm willing to do it.
Well, I mean, how much time would that take?
5 years.
Huh?
It's an apprenticeship. 5 years.
Okay. That's a lot less than 10 years, isn't it?
It is.
And you're 28?
Yes.
Going to be 28? Where are you going to live?
With my grandmother.
Where does she live?
Do you need the address?
Where?
18613 Kiwani Avenue is in Cleveland, Ohio, by Euclid.
It's right on the border?
Yes.
Euclid and Cleveland?
Yes.
Now, you sure you want to be on probation?
Am I sure?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I don't plan on committing crimes or doing anything that's going to lead me back, so I'm confident that I will complete probation.
All right, anything else you want to say?
No.
Have a seat.
Okay, thank you.
Ms. Gold?
Thank you, Your Honor. The defendant's conduct in this case included deliberate acts of violence against random victims, and while the defendant has earned every day of his sentence, the state does see value in the defendant being monitored by the Lake County Adult Probation Department as he re-enters society. So the state will not oppose the defendant's motion if he will be on probation to the Lake County Adult Probation Department.
Okay, I've gone back and I've looked at the pre-sentence report, listened to Mr. Wright, listened to counsel, considered all the applicable statutory factors. I'll grant your motion. I'll put you on 5 years of community control. You're going to serve 14 days in jail. You're to have no drugs or alcohol. And you'll be screened. And since you've been gone, the state of Ohio has made marijuana legal, which is a foolish decision, but a decision that's been made nonetheless, but you're not to have any.
Okay.
You're going to obtain and maintain full employment or school or a combination that equate to full-time. You're going to pay restitution to Papa Joe's in the amount of $720. You're to have no contact with Papa Joe's Subs or Papa John's Pizza. You're going to complete the Decision Points program through the probation department. and you're going to pay the costs and supervision fees. Mr. Tompkins, any other terms you think apply?
I don't believe so, Your Honor.
You understand all the terms?
I believe so.
Do you have any question about the terms?
Did you say 14 days in jail?
Right,
Okay. From today?
right.
Okay.
Starting today.
All right.
Now, yeah, I'm going to do one more thing. You're going to get a drug and alcohol evaluation, and you're going to follow all recommendations. If you don't comply with the terms, the state will file a motion to terminate your community control, and if I find you violated, then you go back to finish your time. You understand that?
Okay.
And then if that happens, when you get out, you'd be on post-release control for 5 years. And they'll put conditions on you. If you violate their conditions, they could send you back to prison for up to 9 months for each of your violations, up to 1/2 of my sentence. If that violation is a new felony, then you can get an additional consecutive prison sentence for the violation, the maximum of which would be the greater of 12 months or the time left under post-release control. So I guess your life is in your hands now. You can decide which way you want to live it. Anything else, Ms. Gold?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Mr. Fatika?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
All right, thank you.
All right.